What's up, guys? Welcome to another day in Santa Monica. I am currently on the pier, and today, guys, I would like to share with you my artwork. So basically, as you know, since 2013 I have been to 100 countries, and all the countries I circled in black on the map are the place I've been. Let me show you closer. So all the countries in black are the countries I've been since 2013, and the red line, it is the path I took on my journey. And this is the exhibition about my travels. Alright, so that was in South Sudan. I remember like hitchhiking a ride in South Sudan was a little bit different, because you know, like hitchhiking in Africa is not the same as in Europe. That was in Norway. But guys, look at that. 100 countries since 2013. So I've been doing that for 11 years. And like you know, guys, I am trying to produce a short documentary about my journey. So this is how I get in touch with the people. I am going to film my interaction today. But yes, I just wanted to show you about my artwork, you know. So this is how also I am getting donation to keep on filming and hopefully produce my first documentary. And I got all the currency from different parts of the world. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. This is from Argentina, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Venezuela, South Sudan, Costa Rica. How cool is that? So like I said, I still got a month here in Los Angeles, and then beginning of January I will be on my way to Mexico. So I am looking super excited to start this new journey. And yeah, today it is Tuesday, so it is a little bit quiet, but and plus I didn't get a really good spot, you know. So like I said, every day I need to attend a lottery in order to set up my exhibition, but today I got the number 17, so not a really good spot. First day, it is Thanksgiving, so hopefully I am going to have a good spot on the pier to display my exhibition. But let me share with you some stories, guys. That was in St. Lucia in the Caribbean. So like I said, maybe after the States I could go either to the Caribbean, or either I could go back to Mexico. That was in Tijuana in 2022, right at the border. Look at that. I had some dreadlocks. That was in Canada, on my way to Alaska. Like you can see, it was very lonely to travel in the north part of Canada. Not much people, and also a lot of bears, you know. So that was definitely scary sometime. That was in Senegal. That was in Chicago in 2022. That was in Gambia not long ago, I think a year ago. That was in Argentina, El Perito Moreno. That was in Madagascar, in the south of Madagascar. But traveling the world as a black man also gave me, if I have to be honest, a different perspective. So like I said, sometimes hitchhiking a ride was a little bit tricky. That was in Spain, And basically sometimes I got pulled over a lot by the police because you know, let's say that people are not really used sometimes to see someone like me hitchhiking a ride. So that was in Spain and that was in Croatia. Hey, welcome man, how are you? That was in Croatia where I got pulled over by the cops, unfortunately. So, well, people just come and, you know, I talk to them about my story. So, that was in Venezuela, Caracas. That was in Australia, Melbourne. And yeah, guys, you know, so like I said, next move, maybe I will go all the way back to Argentina, even though I already been there. But you know, after a month, I need to leave the States. So my plan, once again, maybe will be to go back to Mexico. And like I said, the red line, it is the path I took. So I've been pretty much all over Mexico and also all over South America. But I still miss some place in the Caribbean, like Cuba and Jamaica, Puerto Rico, Grenada. And also I am missing a lot of places in Africa, Central Asia, and Asia. Yeah. Hey man, I have a page on YouTube, Instagram, so feel free to check me out.
Yeah.
And since 2013, I've been to 100 countries. Yeah. Are you from here?
No, actually not.
Where are you from?
Bay Area.
Oh, Bay Area.
Yeah.
San Francisco and stuff.
Yeah.
Cool, man. How do you like it?
Interesting approach.
Okay, okay.
Approach, yeah.
Cool.
How long are you traveling?
I've been traveling since 2013.
2000.
Yeah. All the way to now.
And where did you start?
I was born and raised in France. My dad is from Togo, West Africa, next to Ghana. And my mom, she's from the Caribbean.
That's it.
And all the countries I circle in black are the place I've been. And the red line are the path I took on my journey.
Oh, okay, that's right.
On foot, hitchhiking, that was in Norway. Mostly I am hitchhiking a ride, so I don't have to spend so much money for the transportation. And sometimes as well I go on a boat. That was between Colombia and Panama, guys. Yeah.
Nice. How did you like it in Germany? Have you been there?
Oh yes, that was in Berlin.
Yeah, you've been from west to east, or
I was in
There is-
Freiburg,
yeah, to the south.
Stuttgart, Cologne, Berlin, and Frankfurt.
Nice.
My goal today, what is the goal? What is the purpose? I would love to produce a short documentary because I do believe that traveling the world as a black man also gave me a different perspective, you know? Like I said, I was born and raised in France, but my dad is from Togo,
So
and my mom
obviously
is from
you
the
choose
Caribbean.
that. Yeah.
And sometimes traveling the world, people mistook me for an immigrant. So there is quite some stereotype based on my skin color. So today I am trying to collect any type of donation, hopefully to keep on filming and to produce my first documentary.
Gotcha. Why haven't you visiting Russia? Because it's the biggest country, but there is nothing there.
Have you been there?
I was born in Kazakhstan.
Oh wow, wow.
So all of the east, the biggest land of the world, you've never been there.
Exactly, yeah. So
Kazakhstan
pretty much
and-
all of that, yeah?
Yeah, and
There is
south
not
of
much.
that, and south of that, Kazakhstan,
Yeah, Kazakhstan.
Uzbekistan.
Yeah. How many people live in Kazakhstan?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know yet?
Not too much because the most of it's desert and
Oh wow. Like the landscape looks the same or different?
different. More dry.
I mean, not the sea, but what about the mountain?
Yeah, similar. Dry,
Similar, yeah?
dry mountains.
Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful landscape or so-so?
Yeah. I was a small kid when I was there, so I was raised in Germany.
Oh,
Not,
wow.
I was born in Kazakhstan, moved to Germany.
And now you live here.
Yeah, exactly.
What a story, man.
And then come back one time around the world.
Okay. How do you do that?
Just accidentally, not on purpose.
Oh, really? Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Nice, man. I see Turkey.
Yeah.
Familiar places.
Wow. I got a page on YouTube, Instagram, so feel free to look me up, eh? Well, man, appreciate it. Thanks so much. I see you online. Yeah, what's up, guys? Alright, guys, so this is about it. Exhibition time. Hi, welcome. I am going to turn off the camera for now, but when it will get a little bit more crowded, I am going to turn it on again. But yes, guys, that was all the way to Congo, Kinshasa. Oh yeah, that was in Sofia, Bulgaria. It was cold by the time. That was in Mauritania, with the iron ore train. That was in St. Petersburg, Russia. That was in Guatemala, Haiti. Damn, guys, I've been to some place. So let's see what is going to happen today. Right.